And now we are going there in that middle of that people are doing pictures there. They have a lot of people there. Punta tayo dyan. Yes, guys. Lahat ng names ng mountain dito. Yan. So since there's no people here, I will film here. So meron siyang ano dito, map. Nasa glass siya, nasa glass picture. And then makikita natin yung direction at saka yung degree ng mountain.
Ouais, et c'est clair, au moins, tu sais, les tables d'orientation, t'arrives jamais à te repérer, là, tu te mets bien dans
Yan. Tignan ninyo yung view dito, maganda din siya. Tapos dito, tignan ninyo yung view. Tapos doon. So, punta tayo dito sa another side. So, nice. Nice talaga yung view. Ito. Ito na tayo dito. So, yun. May aso doon. Ayan, dito nasa gitna tayo kanina, tapos ngayon nasa dito na tayo. Yung puno dito is colorful din siya, tignan niyo. Ayan, tapos doon tayo after nila. Ito ang aso. Ayun.
Vraiment petit. Selfie, tais-toi.
We have already visited the 3 bridges here. Just say.
I want to see if did you catch the name of the dog?
Oh, we are done visiting the point of view here in the mountain of Belvedere. Wow, I like this.
It's not time to go back yet.
Okay, just go walk around here. So guys, tignan niyo, nice ang shadow dito, super clean. Yun.
And some people have their chalet just here on top. That's an old one.
Yes. Super nice. Tapos meron silang flags ng Switzerland, France, at European flag.
No, c'est la Savoie.
Ah, Savoie, okay. So nice.
It's really nonsense. I didn't understand. Thought they were.
So we are going on. No, here.
No, they're not. Their cars here.
No, here.
Don't be
We're going
lazy.
down. So guys, we are going down. So, malapit na tayo sa ating chalet. Pagpapahinga na tayo kasi mahaba yung nilakad natin kanina. Tignan ninyo, ang cute! Super cute! Animals decoration. And there also.
Look, there's even something for the cat. Look here.
Yes, I saw. Super cute. Tignan natin doon. Ba na tayo? Ayan. Take me a picture here, please. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. Tapos sa baba tayo. Look, we have a goat here.
There's not much sleep anymore here.
It's very small
Like that,
goat.
they don't need to take care of a garden, you know. C'est les chèvres naines.
So beautiful. Minette,
Hein?
we have a friend here. She's Minette.
Ah oui, viens. Ah, Loulou.
Hmm.
Salut toi.
Wow.
Ah bah oui, t'es gentil toi. Hein.
They're
Ça,
very
tu plais
nice.
aussi, hein.
Ah, it's very soft, very soft. You see les poils?
I want to take a picture.
But you can take a picture from behind if you want.
Minette.
Phone and think about living your life, not only phone.
Guys, si Minette. 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 Shh. Hindi pa, Minette.
See, you're more interested in your phone.
That's perfect.
Your counterline.
Oh, it's nice. No. I like the way you... Minute.
Minou. Yeah.
So guys, we are here on the other side. And you can see the view of the mountain from here. And here also. This one is not yet working because it's not yet winter. When it's winter, they will do the work here and it will on. And then look here, the view.
Ici, ce soir-là, soit au soleil, soit là.
So beautiful. Guys, we are here on the other side and we can see all the view here. It's so beautiful.
Yes, nice mountain. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Especially the weather today is so nice. So guys, I'm filming this view for you so that you can see the view here. It's so nice. Ang ganda, sobrang ganda dito sa taas. Yan, lahat na yan ay pine trees. Yung mga green na color green na puno, lahat yan pine trees. Wala kang makitang puno dito kundi pine trees. Lahat na yan pine trees siya hanggang doon. Hanggang doon, pine trees yan lahat. So ayan.
Ayan, iba.
So guys, look where I am now. I'm here on top of the mountain.
stay here because it's sunny.
Yeah. And there you can see the view. Everywhere is beautiful. May mga tao doon naglalakad. So dito, andito tayo sa taas ng bundok, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung down view dito. Ayan. Ayan. So punta tayo doon. Dito tayo sa taas. Makikita natin yung view. Ayan. Ayan po ang view dito. Sobrang ganda. Ayan. Nakakapagod siya.
Quelle langue tu parles?
Tagalog.
La Tagog. Non. Talagog.
Ayan siya. May bahay doon. Ayan. Ayan.
Ah, look, people are camping down there.
Yes. Guys, tignan ninyo yung view dito. Maganda din siya. Nakita tayong dito na nagka-camping at saka paragliding. Magte-take off na sila. Ayan.
You know what that construction is here?
Yes.
No, you don't know.
Wow. 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 It's there now. Wow. Let's go and see them there. So guys, we saw two paragliders. They just take off. And you can see it here. It's so beautiful. Wow! It's so windy here. That's why they can just take off here because of the weather is so windy. Here you can see.
They're in fact getting higher because of the wind.
Yeah.